total errors in the opening set combined. Diba? So,
Sobrang baba, no? Kumbaga, yun na yung pinaka-minimal errors na makocommit ng dalawang teams.
Pero kung San Sebastian, they have the lead 1-0. Let's see if JRU can fight back and tie the match. This is outside on the first attempt.
First point of
So San Sebastian
San Sebastian.
gets the first point as Balahadia goes to the service line. Again, first year as the primary setter of Coach Roger Gorayeb. Itong si Jersin Balahadia. Back set for Abraham.
Wow.
Cross court para kay Klein.
Abraham down to the corner.
Alam mo, napaka, kumbaga parang hindi mo ine-expect. And yung timing ng atake at mga opportunity na binibigay sa kanya is napakaganda dahil minsan lang siya umatake pero halos lahat napapatay niya.
Yeah. Ooh, quick
Wow.
attack para kay Dimatawaran.
Matawara.
Take a point back for JRU. Si Dimatawaran, not the tallest of middle blockers, John Vic, pero effective gumalaw sa harap.
Aggressive niya. Alam mo, isa sa mga major need ng isang team for middle blockers is yung kumbaga aggressiveness and yung talagang drive na unang-una ang unang trabaho ko dito sa loob ng court is mag-block. Then, second option ko na lang is yung atake.
Puntos, ano?
Yeah.
And double challenge for Julia, of course. She's facing a taller middle blocker, which I'm sure she's used to it already. Or she's used to already. Ramos approaching. And she beats the blockers.
Yeah.
Ramos.
Another point for Ramos and ang ganda nung game nitong dalawang teams dahil lalamang isa, lalamang dalawa, babawi, 3-0 run. And ito yung talagang gusto nating mapanood dito sa NCAA.
That's right.
Kung paano ma-develop yung mga players, especially kapag marami ng games.
And the teams as well. Yung chemistry nila.
Totoo.
Yung galawan sa loob, yung connection nila. Nakikita natin, nag-i-improve kada laban. Nice save from Navarra. Underhand pass. Not gonna work that time for Ramos. Pero buhay pa rin. Balik sila kay Nina Ramos. Lazarte gets there. Gonzalez. Navarra barely getting to it. Abraham puts
I
it
think
down.
there was a violation sa koponan ng JRU.
Long rally.
Si Navarra kasi backline.
Yeah.
May backline siya eh. So, violation yon kapag ang setter kasi pag nasa back row ka, you're not allowed to jump
Yeah.
at itawid yung bola sa kabila. Kasi isa yun sa mga rules ng volleyball.
So, tabla tayo.
Kaya napatayo si Coach Roger eh.
Ooh, it's another error on JRU.
Point for San Sebastian.
So, 2 of San Sebastian's 4 points so far have come from JRU's unforced errors.
Tignan mo ngayon. Kanina, 2-1. Naging 3-2. Ngayon, 4-3. Lamang ang San Sebastian.
Off the block para kay Yonko. Si Yonko, medyo nonchalant, tahimik, silent hitter, pero, and also not the most powerful, but alam niya kung paano diskartehan yung blockers na bumabantay.
Simpleng maglaro.
Quick attack. And Ramos able to put it down.
Lamang pa rin ang isang puntos ang San Sebastian.
And if she can do that consistently, talking about Ramos, of course, not just her, pero yung connection nilang dalawa nito ni Balahadia, pag medyo mas tumibay pa, malaking weapon niya para sa baste.
Tama ka. And syempre, hindi naman nila magagawa pareho yun kung wala ring magandang pasa at walang magandang depensa. Galing sa teammates nila.
Diyan nagsisimula lahat dito sa volleyball. As Tina Marasigan completes the combination play. Good decoy by KJ. And 4-6.
And pansin ko madalas sa mga combination play ng San Sebastian ay si Marasigan yung talagang nagkakaroon ng opportunity na pumatay.
Bihira si Gonzales.
Yeah.
Sa wings lang talaga si Juna May. Pero ito, si Kring Batara, veteran middle blocker, able to score and cut the lead to just 1. But Yoko
Service error.
commits the service error. And this is, kung kanina na-preserve ng JRU yung mga errors nila, dito sa second set natin, medyo nakakarami na sila. Nagsisimula pa lang tayo.
Oo. So, from time to time, kailangan yan yung i-manage nila kasi yan yung medyo mahirap pagdating sa dulo.
At yan din yung isa sa mga factors kung paano nanalo ang San Sebastian ng first set. Here's Nicole. Lazarte pops it up. Marasigan. Sharp angle. Oh, good reflexes by Nicole. Diala again. Lazarte diving for the ball. Ball is still in play. Long rally alert. And the put away by Nicole Diala.
What a great defense para sa dalawang koponan. And I think yung connection between the players of JRU, unti-unti naman nila nakukuha. Alam mo, imagine, balikan ko lang yung last season nila, season 100. While watching them, medyo, alam mo yun, hindi na-organize. Pag may nag-error, makikita mo yung reaction sa mga mukha na frustrated. But this is actually a different team. Ngayong season 101, ganda yung flow, relax. Matalo man sila, like nung first set, pero parang hindi mo makikita sa mukha nila yung frustration right after that match.
Yung sasabihin ko, iba yung kumpiyansa sa JRU. Kahit mas bata yung lineup nila this year, they're showing confidence on the court. And again, these two teams will play it until the very end, will be part of at least a play. And as Kring Batara commits the service error, so San Sebastian is first to the technical timeout. Pagbalik po natin, may report si Bianca Tagarda.
Mga kapuso, we're building greatness here at the San Andres Sports Complex for the NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament. For the sophomore setter na si JM Balahaja, malaki ang responsibility niya as a setter, knowing na wala na nga silang Kat Santos today at kailangan niya pang i-master ang connection niya with her other teammates as well. Pero sabi niya, last year daw, libero siya. But when their senior setter, Bonde Makulangan, went pro, she knew she had to step up. Hindi naman daw siya nahirapan dahil nag-spiker din siya during high school. An all-rounder. But going back to the game, despite winning the first set, frustrated si Coach Roger to his players dahil questionable daw ang kanilang decision-making. Aniya, wala akong pamalit sa inyo. Kulang pa nga tayo ngayon, kaya umayos kayo. Martin and John Vic?
That's always the challenge for San Sebastian. Maraming salamat, Bianca Tagarda. A shorter lineup. Slightly depleted today with the subtraction of Kat Santos. Pero ito naman mga bata ni Coach Roger, they're very well coached, very disciplined. So, laban lang yan.
Laban. And I'm sure yung napaka-importante for this team is yung recovery.
Yeah.
Grabe. Imagine, I've been there last, my second year. Naglaro kami sa championship. Big, Big 10. Pero, ang pinaka-lineup lang namin is 7.
Wow.
So, medyo talagang yung difficulty nung pinagdadaanan.
Siya lang
yung
yung sub
pagod.
nyo.
Oo.
Tsaka, well, a main pro there as we see Marasigan commit the service error. Kumbaga, as a player, you get more playing time on the court.
Yeah.
Diba? Kayo rin yung naglalaro. But in longer matches, and we've seen that here in the league, matetest talaga yung stamina mo, yung endurance sa laban.
Fatigue, di ba?
Yun. Ooh!
Juna
Wow.
Gonzalez.
Juna Gonzalez rises for this bounce ball of a point.
Oo. Kumagat itong si Di Matawaran dun sa quicker ng San Sebastian. Kaya open block.
Oh. Juna
Wow.
again.
Through the
This
block.
time going through the blockers. Coach Mia has seen enough. They're down by 4 here.
Mag-establish yung block natin, makaka-block tayo. So, kailangan nyo i-establish yung block natin. Yung pattern natin, kailangan na una kayo doon para makuha natin yung bola, para may akyat natin. Pero, kung sasabayan lang nyo, kung ano yung ginagawa nila, hindi kayo aware kung anong nangyari doon sa bola, hindi nyo makukuha yan. Simple.
Tama, simple.
Ah,
Diba? Inside and outside the court, kailangan na nakikita mo at na-observe mo kung ano yung nangyayari. Kasi kapag dumating yung point na hindi mo na nakikita kung ano yung nangyayari or ginagawa ng kalaban mo, doon ka magkakaroon ng problema. Kasi hindi mo na naaaral eh. Diba? Sila nag-a-adjust sila based sa laro nyo. Now, kung yung adjustment nila ay hindi magtutugma sa adjustment na ginagawa nyo, eh hindi talaga mag-work yung mga plans.
that's right. And now,
Sofia
that was not the response Coach Mia was hoping for. Ramos able to convert, and this is now the largest lead for San Sebastian. 13-8. KJ to start. Also a very good server here. Challenging Deala. Ramos, much needed for JRU.
Ramos gets the point on that break.
Simple lang eh, no, Martin? Napaka-simple lang ng volleyball. Diba?
Yeah.
Good receive, good set,
Ayala Navarra.
proper attack. Ang daling umiscore, kaso syempre hindi naman ganun talaga kadali na makakuha ng basta-basta puntos and
San Sebastian.
You just
with
need
the
to
point
play
on
solid.
the play.
Kaya magmula sa first ball hanggang doon sa mga pasa, and of course the setter's decision making. Yan yung mga ini-ensayo. At paulit-ulit, many repetitions in the practices. JRU looking a bit lost here in the second set, but Yonko makes something out of that.
Yoko of a slip.
Kasi hindi maganda yung pagkakaangat doon ng JRU. Eto si Deala na nga yung nag-set kay Yonko, but she was still able to score. 10-14. Balahadia going to Ramos, who has been producing here in the second. Yonko mula naman sa kabila.
wow.
She's been highly effective. Itong si Angelica Yonko.
Back-to-back points para kay Yoko. At gaya ng first set, Martin, siya yung most unpredictable scorer para sa kupunan ng JRU.
Not talked about much
Oo.
sa JRU dahil may Deala at Ramos na laging bumibida. But again, she is a silent operator. Si Ramos hindi po silent.
Yeah.
Hindi. That's another point right there. So, from 5 points down, dalawa na lang hinahabol ng JRU.
3 straight points para sa JRU. And nakakagulat kasi si Coach Roger ay hindi pa tumatawag ng timeout dito to cut the momentum of JRU.
So he is trusting his players to figure things out on their own, but still unable to do it.
Ito na.
This is the time out you were talking about. Pakinggan natin si Coach Roger.
Nagagagawa nyo. Usap kayo, tuloy-tuloy. Girls, yung bola, pag dinikit nyo sa net, mahihirapan.
Isang kamay na naman. Ngayon, isang kamayan din doon. Kayo, block kayo ng block doon. Wala kayong mablock. Ano bang inaabangan nyo? Itinataas nyo lang yung kamay nyo, hindi naman kayo bumablock. Bumablock ba itinataas nyo, wala kayong masalat doon? Di hamak na mas maliit sa inyo yon. Ang lalaki nyo, wala kayong masalat. Diyos ko sa Mario.
Well, Martin, may mga different kinds of blockings kasi na tinuturo. Especially kapag mayroon kang tournament. Depende sa capabilities ng mga kalaban mo. Merong kill block, merong stop block, or merong yung stop block kasi para lang matapatan yung
Papagaling
vision.
bola.
Hindi, yung vision nitong mga defender natin, ang floor defense natin, para kahit saan ipalo nung spiker naka-ready. Naka-ready yung floor defense. While yung stop block naman kasi, yun yung gustong ipagawa ni Coach Roger na para sa kanyang koponan dahil kunin niya yung bola. Yun yung gusto niya.
Teka.
For Gonzales.
Meron kayang check ball doon sa the side ng JRU. Ito.
Sabi ng JRU, wala daw. So, they'll use the challenge. By the way, 5 straight points for the Lady Bombers.
Black touch ang
Black touch.
challenge nitong JRU.
Naitabla na nila yung second set natin. We'll see. Kaya nag-challenge sila. Ayaw nilang maputol yung kanilang run dito. And they wanna take the lead.
4-0 run. Ngayon, kumukuha nila tong puntos na to. 5-0 run para sa JRU.
Yeah.
Wow.
Grabe.
Para game.
Ganito rin tayo halos kanina. Nangyari lang yung run para sa JRU sa simula. So, was there a check? Was there a touch? None.
Wow.
So,
There was no block touch.
make that
So the
a
challenge by
6-0 run now.
6-0 run.
successful.
Wow.
15-14. Humabol na ulit dito ang JRU. You know, never say die attitude. Balahadia over to Abraham. Ramos, Lazarte tracking it down.
Oh!
And
Too short for Ramos.
the errors are piling up for Baste. 7-0 spurt for JRU as we go to the technical timeout.
The second set. It's JRU with the lead, 16-14.
Welcome back to the coverage. All of a sudden, it's a 2-point lead for JRU. Salamat po sa inyong pagtutok via Heart of Asia. Nandiyan tayo sa GMA Sports PH online, Facebook X, and on IG, NCAA Philippines on YouTube, Instagram as well, and on X. 16-14. Kring. 7-0 run for JRU. And
Whoa.
it's been that kind of stretch for
That's too
Baste.
much for Gonzales.
Multiple attack errors for San Sebastian.
Imagine, 8-0 run. Medyo madugo para sa kapunan ng San Sebastian. And gusto ko lang i-comment itong pagpasok ni Bianca Dungka. Dahil, alam mo, yung service niya, kung paano mamahirapan yung receive nitong Baste. And yung defense,
Sofia
Sa
Ramos.
likod, ano?
kaso, pinutol agad. Ito ni Ramos ang bleeding nitong San Sebastian. Imagine 8-0 run. Ang haba nun, Martin.
Kanina binanggit natin, San Sebastian was in full control of the second set with a 13-8 lead. And then JRU came alive, and now they continue to roll.
Wow.
18-15 of that Kring Badara quick attack. Getting that ball high enough for Batara. Palahadia. Abraham challenging the blockers. Tumawid ang bola.
Wow.
But Kring was right there to put it down. 19-15 now in favor of JRU, looking to tie up the match.
And she knows her job. Blockings. Pag may opportunity, attack.
Kring Patara, very active. Depusoy, nasa laban na natin para sa San Sebastian. Although hasn't taken an attempt as Abraham gives JRU a
That's
lot of
point
heat
for the Lady
on this
Stars.
cross-court kill.
And kung mapapansin mo yung composure nitong San Sebastian no, nag-start tong second set natin, mas maganda compared dun sa JRU. Pero right now, nakikita natin medyo nararattle sila.
Yeah.
Sa first ball pa lang, Martin.
At si Batara,
With another set point.
kuha na niya, no?
Oo.
She is on a roll and she is charging in full force. Kada kuha, kinakargahan.
Yes.
6 points for Yonko. Pinamarasigan. It's been a while.
Wow.
Angle was too tight as the ball went wide. But good intention.
Pero ang ganda nun, Martin, kung pumasok. Yung first line, yung tinatawag nila first line, sharp cross hit.
Yun. Yun.
Ganda nun sana.
Nipis eh.
Sobra.
Diba? Hirap ng angulong yun. As Yonko commits
Service out.
the error. Now, San Sebastian, their turn to attempt a run. 17 to 21 is the tally. Deyala. Oh, Lazarte saving it. Teposoy, that's her first hit. Kring, naitawid. Marasigan down the line. Dungka with the defense. Teposoy passing it to Balahadia, who goes to Marasigan. And single coverage by Kring Batara.
Grabe.
Point the water to
Iba yung Batara. Grabe yung utak niya sa pagbabasa. Yung timing niya sa bola.
We're entering the game.
She has owned
Is number 19,
the second set.
Julia
Talking about
Dimatawa.
Kring Batara. Hold on, there is a double sub.
And another substitution
So
for
babalik
JRU,
na si
number 16
Dimatawaran.
out. Number 7, Yuri Suamartin.
Babalik na rin si Navarra. Great job. Quality minutes off the bench ang ibinigay neto ni Bianca Dungka para sa
Yeah.
JRU.
The game changer
22 serving
sa
17.
second set para sa JRU.
From serving to leading the floor defense.
That's true.
Deyala. Deposoy will try from the back row.
DJ Deposoy hits it
So
from
San
the back
Sebastian still trying to climb back. Apat ang hinahabol nila. Ito naman ang challenge sa JRU. How will they close out? That bounced off the net. They go to the opposite side. Saved by Karabot. Here's Deyala. She approaches and just gives up the free ball.
Oops!
Teposoy.
Yeah, crossing violation para kay
Good fault on Deposoy.
23 to 18. JRU 2 points away from tying the match.
And ang good thing about dito sa JRU, Martin, is yung composure nila.
Number
Alam mo,
13,
lamang, di ba first set na nakuha ng San Sebastian, nag-start yung second set natin na
Yeah.
medyo slow start sila, lamang na lamang ng 6 na puntos. But sa mukha nila parang wala kang makikitang kahit anong pressure.
Yun. Di naratel, ano?
Hindi na rattle.
Yeah. In fact, they embraced the challenge and went on a massive run as Deposoy.
off the block.
That
CJ
had to feel good. Talking about Deposoy. Alam natin tong player na to, very powerful spiker. But she needs some warm-up time.
Totoo.
Diba? Navarra. Nasa likod si Dionisio. Back to Deposoy they go. Covered. This one went to the net. And that's too straight for San Sebastian.
That's a point.
So this is what we're talking about for JRU. How do they close out?
There's a challenge.
Oh, there's
on the
gonna be a
ball by
challenge.
JRU. The challenge is
Reaching beyond. Right. So maybe this challenge is of course to check if there was an infraction. Pero po pwede rin tactical, you know, parang timeout, naputulin yung momentum.
Yeah.
Yan.
usually ginagawa ng mga coaches yan. Based naman doon sa mga nakita ng mga viewers, parang wala naman. Pero
Malinaw,
yung
ano?
intention ng mga coaches is not really doon sa challenge,
Tawag yan.
but for the momentum. Makat nila yung momentum itong San Sebastian.
1923. So, ano yung kailangan ng JRU kasi medyo nagsastruggle sila dito makuha yung huling 2 puntos sa ating second set. So far, we've had 2 long sets.
Totoo.
Diba?
Grabe yung pahalitan ng mga scores.
Oo. Kasi hindi mabilis yung mga puntos natin.
Ah,
Hindi isang play tapos agad or isang exchange tapos agad. You know, usually multiple exchanges ang nakikita natin per point.
yeah, haba ng rally.
Kanina, first set, 30 minutes as we see the Lady Bombers here. Meron kayang tumawid. Ball was on the side.
Yeah. Pero
Ooh! Wow! Napaganda ba? Para sa JRU. A successful challenge for Coach Mia.
well, successful challenge for JRU, but ako to be honest, yung ganung bola medyo nasa part na kahit papaano medyo dumikit na naman sa gitna nung
Net.
court ng ng San Sebastian. The reason why pwede mo na siya
Kunin.
yeah, but well,
Coach Roger with another counter challenge. Second straight in this match. And it's happening towards the end of the set. Si today's acting assistant coach, Kat Santos, ang nag-raise ng reaching
po.
beyond.
Kasi correct me if I'm wrong, ang for me, ang reaching beyond the net is that yung bola hindi talaga tumawid. Like
Correct.
hindi, kahit konting part ng bola is hindi nagkaroon ng chance tumawid.
Okay.
Diba?
But our referees, our officials will stick to the call. So
Now set point for the Lady
JRU,
Bombers.
Kumbaga parang yung crossing, di ba? Hanggat hindi tumatawid ang buong paa.
tama.
Crossing.
Tama.
So kahit kalahati lang, pwede pa. Hindi naman
Pwede pa.
tumawid yan.
Yeah.
So,
So set point situation for JRU. Tepusoy.
tapusin na kaya.
Ito si Ramos. Middle attack from Sofia Ramos.
Yeah. Touch net.
Net fault on JRU.
Yongko.
Point for San Sebastian.
Committed the touch net violation. So, meron pang 4 na puntos ang kailangan habulin itong San Sebastian sa ating second set.
Mailap yung mga puntos para sa JRU sa stretch na to.
Yeah.
Pero this is
Ang dami nangyayari.
ang dami nangyayari. Pero ito yung kagandahan kapag may kaunti kang puhunan. You know, you have room to operate
Totoo.
and room to make up for your points.
Julia
And
Kimatawala
a perfect execution
from the middle.
for JRU to end set number 2. Julia
Ladies and
Dimatawaran
gentlemen, this ends our
with a
set
set
number 2
ender right here.
with JRU winning
Tabla tayo, 1 set
25-20.
apiece between San Sebastian and JRU.
Both teams have won 1 set apiece in this match.